Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option to have our screen on while viewing it. There is option in this phone that while we're looking at the screen, it won't turn off. It's using our camera to do it. So if you want to turn this option off, you have to go to Settings, Advanced Features, Motions and Gestures, or here it is, Keep Screen On While Viewing. What does it do? As I said, keep the screen on while you are looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. Of course, if we have our camera turned off, it won't work. But to turn off this function, we simply uncheck this box, and now our screen will turn off as we set our screensaver without our camera's intervention. Yeah. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.